Welcome to InDesign. We are going to learn how to develop a multiple page PDF flipbook. So I am in the latest version of InDesign. So if you have an older version, it might look a little bit differently than this, but all the same options are available. So it just might look a little bit differently at first, but once you get into the program, it should look very similar, even if you have an older version. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start a traditional flipbook. We can do this really any size. I'm going to actually do this flipbook as an 8.5 by 11 or an 11 by 8.5. I just have to figure out what size I'd like. It'd be good to do it in a print version so that if you want to save it and export it as a digital version you can, but you also have the ability to print it as well. So let's go ahead and get started. Right now I'm going to go ahead and go to units, and I'm in the United States, so I'm going to use inches, but you would obviously use other measurements if you need to. So I'm just going to do kind of an 8.5 by 11. This is portrait size, or I can do a horizontal flip book, which I think that's kind of the look I'm going for. So let's go ahead and go with that. So I'm going to go with a horizontal orientation. I'm going to start out with 12 pages, and if you were ever to get this printed professionally, a lot of printers like to see things divisible by 4. So they like to see either 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 pages, and so on. It's the way they print it. It actually saves them and you a lot of money. So a lot of times if I'm thinking about doing an 8-page, that's good, but if I have 9 or 10 pages, I might go ahead and just increase it to the next multiple, which would be 12. So just a little tip if you are going to do a print version of this. So let's go ahead and margins. I usually go ahead and leave default because I'm so used to margins being 1/4 of an inch. So let's go ahead and click Create. It's going to go ahead and create a document. And this is InDesign. I'm going to do this class like you are new to InDesign. You have a little bit of experience, but not much, so I'm going to go at a nice pace for you. So over to the right, we have our pages. So I kind of have everything. This is going to be your first page, and I'm over here on the right side. We can actually see our entire document all the way down to the last page, which this is, if I double click it, this is going to be our back page, and I'm going to double click on page 1, and this is going to be our front page. And all of these down here, let me go ahead and zoom out so you can see a little bit what I'm doing. Let's zoom out to 50%. Okay, so now you can kind of see the entire document. So these are all called spreads. These are going to be spreads. It's the left side and the right side of each of the inside pages. So this is kind of your basic setup, and next we're going to get started.